Good evening, students. In previous classes, we started chapter number 10. In this chapter, we already learned some topics. After some revision, we will start new topic. Firstly, move on page number 143, chapter number 10, images, links, frames in HTML5. You all already know how to insert image. Firstly, student, listen carefully. Firstly, make a folder. Firstly, make a folder and all thing must save in this folder because there is addressing problem. If you save your file, images and other thing into different folder, then there is a file to copy address. Firstly, make a address. Now make a folder here. I already made a folder in D drive online classes. In D drive there is a folder class 8th. Class 8th. In this folder I already saved all thing in this folder, MS Word file and other thing. Now how to insert image in a folder? Firstly, copy some folder. I copy this folder. I copy image in this folder. Radha, Rangoli, Rose. These are images. Now open a program. Open with Notepad. Here, when you want to insert an image, HTML head, title, body, put imgsrc and image name with extension and address. Here extension is JPG. You can also say secondary name. Here Rangoli image also already saved in folder. You can copy these images from other location or you can save images from internet and other sources. So here imgsrc rangoli.jpg, here image. You can see output of this program. Right click, open with Google Chrome. Open with Google Chrome. After few seconds, this program output open. Output will open. Wait few seconds. Here loading. Now load. Here you can see this image appear. If you want to control size of the image, then use height and width. Height and width. Give size in percentage or pixel. 200 pixel. And width again. Here height spelling is HEIGST and width WIDTH, then pixel, number of pixel, inverted comma, then close, file, save. Now no need to .html, save. Here internal file is also saved in this folder. Refresh. You can see here height 200 and width is also 200. Now Page number 144, align image. You can also align image left, right and center align. Left, right and center. In previous version of HTML, align attribute was used to align the image to left or right. If you want to align image top, bottom and middle, you can use CSS property vertical alignment. Now firstly see alignment, how to align image. Open notepad of this file and align, ALIGN RIGST, right. By default alignment is left. Save. This align attribute support only previous version of HTML. Okay, you can see here is previous version, here image is right, image align will right. Okay, now float property. What is the use of float property? Suppose you want to put so many image on your web page and all image alignment right. In many time you write this img src align right, img src align right, then insert image, img src align right, then insert image. Then this is problem. By the use of CSS property, you can define only one time. CSS property name float. By the use of float property, you can align image in one time and you can write image across the text. Now float property, page number 144. Here is program for float property. I already made some program. Float property here. How to define float property? Float property defined in definition section. Head section is used for definition section. Here style type text oblique CSS. Firstly define paragraph. Paragraph border 5 pixel and border color solid black. Font size for paragraph 16 point. Now image. Image property, image border 10 pixel, color of border solid red and margin, distance of margin 20 pixel and float left. Then closing of style tag. Now in body tag img src Radha image height width and write. You can write this paragraph in MS Word. You already know when you press enter key in MS Word, then new paragraph will start. Then type this paragraph in MS Word. Here is first paragraph and here this image and here second paragraph and again same image. Now paragraph tag closing, then BR. You can, by the use of float property, you can show text with image. You can also this no, you can also say this no. Brep, brep, text brep means text with image. Now save. Now output of this program, open with Google Chrome. Here float property set, left alignment of the image, close this. Open with Google Chrome. After some time you will get output of this program. Here some problem with loading. Again open with Google Chrome. After some time you will get output of this program. Here loading. Now you can see output, reduce size. Now you can get here restore. You can this here is text and text with images. Text with images. If you want to right align this image, then again move on program. Then move on float property and here define alignment all image right, RIGST right. Then file, save, minimize, then refresh or reload. After some time you can get output of this program. Now again restore down. You can see after few seconds image, now image right aligned and text across this image. This is float. Float property define image with text across the text. Now ALT attribute. The ALT attribute display text and alternative to the image. Suppose there is a problem to load an image. Now you can define ALT attribute of image. Suppose here image is not available or image address is not correct. Then define ALT attribute and write ALT attribute something for ALT attribute. Image load, image will load after some time. Then file, save, minimize, then refresh. You can see after few seconds output of the program. You can get here image not display, here display image will load after some time. This is ALT. ALT attribute displays text as an alternative to the image. Now image in a table cell. Now image in a table cell, page number 145. Image in a table cell. Image in a table cell. Again move on folder, D drive. In D drive there is a folder online classes. How to put image in a table cell? Firstly, you must know how to make table in HTML. Here class 8, here is a program table. Here is output. You can see output image in a table cell. These are nodes table cell. Here 1, 2, 3. These are rows, and vertically, here vertically is column. Now how to insert image in a table cell? Now open with Notepad. Now firstly table border 2 size means 2 pixel, height of table 400 pixel, width 400. Now start, firstly define first row, then first row here is 2 column, then 2 td, here td full form table data, here heading flower name and second heading image name. Now td closing. Now new row started. Here also output you can well understand with output. Here table appear after some time. Table border 2, height 400 pixel, width 400 pixel. First table cell heading 400. First table cell heading flower name and second heading image name. Now new row started. New row heading, new row text, rows. Now in you can see here this indicate for rows. Now this cell, in this cell write this code img src for use inserting image rows.jpg, whatever image, then height and width. You can also increase height and width of this cell. 120 pixel and width is also 120 pixel. Now closing of this cell. Now closing of this row. Now new row started for tr. Tr means table row. Now this td refer to this lotus, and this img, this td refer to this image img src lotus.jpg. Now td closing, tr closing and table closing. Now save. Now refresh. You can see this output. So here image size increase. Now image in a table cell. Now linking. Most of the website contain many of the web pages that gives you access to related information. Access you to related information. HTML has a powerful features of linking these web pages together. This feature is called hyperlinking. When you click a text, a new file appear on your screen. This text is already know hypertext. Then here is two types of linking: internal linking, external linking. Firstly, linking. What is linking? How to apply linking in HTML. Linking. What is the use of linking? By the use of linking, you can link to another web page or another file. Now again move on back folder, class 8. Here internal linking. Close this. minimize, open with Notepad. Now linking. When you want to link another file, use anchor tag into body tag. A H R E F, then file name with address. Here in this folder, here is file table.html. Same location, table.html. Now hypertext, go anchor tag closing. If you want to make increase size of this hypertext, then use heading tag h1. Now closing of h1. Now file save. Now open program. Right click, open with Google Chrome. After few seconds, you get output. Here, go. Click, then open table program. Here. Now, link to MS Word file. When you want to link to MS Word file, firstly save a MS Word file in this folder. Make a file. Here, MS Word file name, Microsoft Office, untitled document. Here is file. Rename this file computer. Easy name. Put easy name. Now br. Now AHREF file name computer. Our MS Word file name computer and extension of MS Word file docx. Then hypertext Word file. Now closing of anchor tag. Now save. Minimize, open. Now you can see output Word file. When you click this Word file, your message file will download and you can move to MS Word file after some time. Again processing. Here you can see computer display message download file. When you click this file, then your file appear on your screen. Opening here Microsoft Word, then click OK. Now your file open. Now link to email. How to link with email? How to link with email? When you want to link with email, again same process. Here BR. Anchor tag again also used for email. Here href for linking with email. Use property mail to attribute. Use new attribute of href or use new property of href attribute mail to property. Mail to is the property here ms.word file. You can see ms.word file open. Now close this file. Now a href mail to colon symbol, then give email address. Here email address manj.108 at gmail.com. Here hypertext email, then anchor closing of anchor tag. Now closing of anchor tag. Closing of anchor tag. Then save. Now open internal linking file again. Now this is email. Click this. After some time you can get email screen, email dialog box. This dialog box used for sending email. Now this is linking for email. Now internal linking. Now internal linking. Close this. What is the use of internal linking? Firstly move on file, remove this height and width. When you want to show internal linking in your web page, your file size or your web page size must increase. Your length of the file must increase. Then here image, remove this image, file, save. For the internal linking, firstly, what is the meaning of internal linking? You can move in same web page into one spatial part to another spatial part. By the use of internal linking, you can move one spatial part to another spatial part. Here name attribute used for defining spatial part name. Here name attribute is used for defining spatial part name. Here in this program we can move bottom to top part. You can also make program top to bottom. You can make both top to bottom and bottom to right, but here bottom to right. Firstly give name by the use of name attribute of anchor tag, then give name of spatial part. Here a name equal inverted comma hash. Here hash symbol use. Here spatial part name, and here is no hypertext. Here is no hypertext. Why? Because here is this name only used for give name, not move to anywhere. Then a name has spatial part name, then anchor tag closing. Now move on bottom. Here AHREF. Here HREF to use for moving. AHREF has a special part name, and here special part name top. Here name common. Here name and HREF special part name must common. Then has top, move to top part, anchor tag closing, file, save. You can move bottom to top, save, minimize, refresh. Here is, you can see by the use of scroll bar you can move. Now without scroll bar, move, click on this, move to top part, then you can show again, you can move top part. Again see output, move to top part, here top part appear. Now image use as a hyperlink. Now image use as a hyperlink. Now image, when you want to move image as a hyperlink, now move on notepad. This is very simple. Now open with notepad. You can also put hyperlinking in table cell. Here image as a hyperlink. Now this image called hyperimage. Text for hyperlinking, then hypertext. Now image for hyperlinking, then hyperimage. Now TD, here HREF equal file name. Here file name, you can move on different file or same web page file. Here in this folder there is two web page file, internal and table file. You can also link with image. Now table file name here file name table, now linking with internal file, internal HTML. Now internal dot HTML closing. Here no hypertext, your image will use as a hypertext. Now closing of anchor tag. Here anchor tag start. Here image will use as a hyperimage. Now anchor tag closing. Here is no hypertext, your image will use as a hyperimage. Now file, save. Now open file table.html. Table.html. Now you can see, now hand symbol become on your image. Here is no hyperlinking, then no hand symbol. Here you can see hand symbol on image. When you click this image, your internal linking file, close this, your internal linking file will appear on the screen. You can see your internal linking. So this is your previous revision. Now new topic continue in next video. Thank you.